Don't scroll, this will be fun. Welcome to the icy world of polar animals. Penguins can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers.
Fast food delivery!
Polar bears are the kings of the Arctic, though sometimes they slip on the ice.
Long live the Ice King!
Seals love to relax, almost like sunglasses are their style.
Too cool for school!
Penguins, polar bears, and seals, they are the funniest stars of the Arctic. Which polar animal do you like the most? Like and subscribe for more stick cartoons.